Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can clean your C drive to help to make your PC faster. Now you can see my C drive is a little bit cluttered right now. I only have 20 gigabytes left of storage. So the thing we're going to do is on the search bar down here, we want to search disk cleanup. Now just click on this and then you can see right now it'll give me a drive selection. So right now it's on Acer C and that's the one we want to clean up, right? The C drive. So let's click on OK and then it'll give it a calculating scan like temporary files and all of these stuff. Let's just wait for it to finish and to calculate. Once it's finished calculating, you'll see a window like this, right? So there's a couple of files we can delete, like there's download program files, temporary internet files, and a lot of these stuff as well, like Windows error and reports, DirectX shader cache. We can empty the recycle bins as well. We can delete the thumbnails, all of these stuff, right? Now you can also clean up system files if you'd like, but I'm not gonna do that because I still need it. You can also delete the thumbnail. The thumbnails is when you open a video in Windows Explorer, you'll see that there's a thumbnail on top of it, right? That's cached inside your computer and that takes data. So if you don't need it anymore, you can delete it if you like. Temporary internet files is your cache and your cookies as well from the internet. So if you delete this, your internet might run slower for the first few days, but after that, it'll start picking back up again. I'm just not going to delete anything because I still need all of these, but I'm just going to click on OK, click on delete files, and then it'll say cleaning up driver Acer C, and then you're done. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.